How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our Striker Series dash lights. Now we offer these units in our Striker 1, Striker 2, and Striker 4 head units here. And when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar going to your wiring harness, and then you'll notice a connector here, and this is to be used with our optional cig-plug that you'll see on the product pages. And then on our cig-plug, you have your on-off switch and your pattern changer here. And we do offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, so let's go over a couple of those options. So here I brought our Striker 1 in green and our Striker 2 in amber, and then moving over here I brought our Striker 4 in a half-half red-blue color setup and an amber-clear alternating color setup. But again, you can get any of these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear with solid and half-half color combinations with our Striker 1 and Striker 2, or solid, half-half, and alternating with our Striker 4 units here. Now you'll notice my units are on different flash patterns here, but each of these units come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them, and they all have memory recall as well. And then finally, you'll notice a white cable coming out of the back of your unit, and this is to sync multiple units together. Now we do offer several mounting options for these units. So we have our 90-degree suction cup bracket, our 360-degree suction cup and L bracket, our adjustable and static headliner brackets, and then if you'd like to exterior mount your unit, we have our surface mount end caps, and we have the ability to weatherproof these units. And then finally, you'll see optional windshield visors for each size as well. So that covers our Striker Series dash lights. Make sure to watch our flash pattern videos and also check out our interactive players right below the main product pictures. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.